Away! Die is Brieke op de Rika Reactions. Ek is Keister Blakey Grout, die greatest reactor of all time. En as jy sê ek is die greatest reactor of all time, ek worry nie. Welkom by Brieke op de Rika as dit jou eerste keer is, ne? Welkom as dit jou eerste keer is. As jy reeds was, welkom terug. Julle weet ons week het. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome back. Kijk, gaan nog slangen hangen, ne? Ons doen nie Radio Easter Rivier, nee, goed, het begin as 'n district, as jy doen nie Radio Easter Rivier nie. Ons gaan straight jump in die song. Right. Ek weet nie wie 777 is nie. Nooit van 777 gehoor nie. Right. Gister wat die eerste keer. Gister of eergister wat die eerste keer hoor jy van 777. Right, gister jy het iets daai. Ek gaan deur my phone, ek gaan op TikTok. Nou, ek kyk nooit TikTok video's nie. Ek kyk net TikTok video's wat 4-5 mense wat ek kyk. Ek follow 'n klompie mense, maar ek kyk net 3-4 se, né? Mense wat my kan laat lag. Delano Da Vinci, Angelo Precies, Burger, my brother Ernest de Waal van Noord-Kaap. Ek kyk net vir hulle want ek smaak van ek want ek wil lag. Ek kyk ek hier reg Facebook, TikTok goed is. Right. Ek gaan dus hier promo is live. Klik op die live, hè? Promo Mr Confessions, 2 Temple Boys en ek sien ek 777. Nou luister ek die gesprek. Toe kom ek agter, hy wat promo is, het iets gesê vir 777. Toe drop 777 'n diss track. En soos ek verder gaan, sê ek maar okay, 777 het vir Junior King gedis. Toe gaan kyk ek, toe sien ek op die man se channel, die man het vir Junior King gedis 'n paar maande gelede. Junior het nie reply nie. Toe dis hy vir promo oor 'n comment wat promo gemaak het. En promo en Junior King reply toe saam op die diss track hier. Nou Junior het nog aan die play sy ene, saam met promo op die ene wat hy vir promo gesluit het min. So dat ons gaan nou 'n bietjie inklim op dit, né? So ek gesê ek ken nie vir 777. Ek gaan nou hoor of die man kan, né? Wat die man doen en wie dit is, ek gaan nou seker nou 'n idee kry. Right. Ons jump gou. Nice, the keto. Nice.
I'm like the Simpsons, I predict shit and then it happens. I call myself a rapper and then they laugh at me. Shut your
Okay, laat my gaan lag toe ek sê ek is 'n rapper, né? Ek soos die Simpsons, ek predik goed dat word waar. So die Simpsons, julle weet, as 'n TV show wat hy van gebeur altyd goed in die Simpsons en dan 'n paar jaar na dit, dan gebeur hy actually dink, né? Hy's 'n propaganda tool, but okay.
rap, cause I might put on a mask and then ask you who's ready to witness a massacre. I sit down, bitch, you're nothing but a passenger. All I see around me is a couple dead figures. Go figure, go bigger, go home, and the journey's still long.
Okay, when going home is a long journey home. So, sy sit 'n ski masker op om te en dan gaat hulle gou 'n massacre gou witness, né? Sy kan 'n promo wat gaan massacre gaan word.
Ask you who's ready to witness a massacre. I sit down, bitch, you're nothing but a passenger. All I see around me is a couple.
Wow. Ek wil gou iets kyk. I need context for the song, man. I need context. Die 21 September vandag is die 25, 4 dae gelede. A diss track a product of a ghost. Oh, POAG is product of a ghost. A diss track inspired by a hate comment left by the rapper and apparent diss master to my promo. I made this diss track because disrespect and hatred, racism and the influence that rappers in this country have on the youth and in people has a serious impact. Okay, is reg? We will not stand for racism, especially coming from an artist who's supposed to be the positive influence and change this country. Promo, positive influence. Wanneer was Bella en de numbers? Okay, en gaan we sê promo wie ek is nie racist nie. Hy by wit mense gebly hier in die Boston hier ook aan by. Promo positive influence. And so we have set out to prove that no matter how far up you are, talent from the lowdowns can always reach up and cause influence in the society. And showcase that we will not stand for what really matters in this country and do what we must to prove a point. Okay, that's a you standing, right? I agree with that. And I'm gonna stand up against you because maak nie saak hoe hoog jy is. Talent van die onder af kan 'n influence boontoe het. Some people are only focused on themselves, their money, fame, ego, and proving themselves. For me, this is more than about myself. It's about putting somebody on their place, should have been in their place, who has disrespected me and showing that racism and bad influence will not be associated with, agreed with, or accepted. Okay, agree with that one. Sit iemand in sy plek because hy was racist. Ek glo hy was racist. It was a bad influence. Dan gaan jy nou plek in sit. And even if you are not as famous or rich, when you stand up for what's right, people will listen and the truth be told. True. By the way, 777 equals 21 just for information. So 3 7's 21. Ja, promo. 21 promo. Okay, nou dis konteks. So dat ek in die begin gedoen het actually. Right, nou kom ons gaan gou verder.
Couple dead figures, go figure, go bigger, go home. And the journey's still long, and this road is too cold for you. And your music, it's painful to hear. All this dirt in my ears, all your crowds disappear. To my words, they adhere. And my
So jou crowd en die wat ek sê, my woorde, né? Né? En jou, het is pynvol om na jou te luister promo.
music, it's painful to hear. All this dirt in my ears, all your crowds disappear. To my words, they adhere. And my words persevere like.
Brother, die hele stukkie daar, né? Hy is 'n paar lyne, die M, like stand, am, whatever you say I am. Nice, as jy gaan I sit back and get that. Daar is M, bro. So sy uiters groot M fan, wat ek dink die angle wat hy ons gevat het hier is om daai cadence te doen wat M doen op Stan. Né? Aan Stan nie the way I am, but dat vat weg van wat sy gaan doen. Because nou hoor ek net vir M in my kop instead van om aan jou te luister.
All this dirt in my ears, all your crowds disappear.
En hoekom het die Amerikaanse aksent?
To my words, they adhere. And my words persevere like the 3 musketeers. And you're still in the rear like a fucking puppeteer. Well,
M, ag, promo just still in the rear, né? Like a puppeteer, in the rear puppeteer. My lyn maak nie vir my sin nie. But kyk in die rear, hy's nog steeds daar agter, né? My words persevere, né? Like the 3 musketeers. Okay, die woorde gaan lank. Perseverance, svang.
and my words persevere like the 3 musketeers. And you're still in the rear like a fucking puppeteer. While I'm collecting souvenirs, just still in school with your peers. So don't talk to me.
I collect souvenirs as long as it's cool with your peers.
In the rear like a fucking puppeteer. While I'm collecting souvenirs, just still in school with your peers. So don't talk to me like you're ready to face your fears. It's more to
Moenie met my praat voet en nie jou fears kan face. Promo, né? En die song is cool met jou peers, is die song cool.
collecting souvenirs, just still in school with your peers. So don't talk to me like you're ready to face your fears. There's more to life than being a statistical commodity, an egotistical anomaly. I'm thanking you subconsciously, but I'm with all weer gedaan.
Sien jy die Afrikaans? Wow. Okay, so there's an egotistical anomaly, promo.
Statistical commodity, an
Commodity,
egotistical anomaly. I'm thanking you subconsciously, but I'm with all weer gedink. Kyk aan my frikkie noem en dan gaan.
Oh, dit is waaroor dit gaan, ja. Het vir promo vir hom frikkie genoem. Toe sê voel die man baie happy daaroor. Nou wat het Junior gemaak?
Egotistical anomaly. I'm thanking you subconsciously, but I'm with all weer gedink. Kyk aan my frikkie noem en
Verstaan jy nou, my broer, jy het nou die M cadence gehad en dan kot jy af na jou Afrikaans, in Afrikaans toe. Verstaan jy nou die twee? Personally like ek het nie, because
dan gaan alles net alright, dus buddy, I got news for you. Het julle niks geleer oor writing op die smalle rappers, bro. Ja, as jy kak praat, gaan dit uitkom. As jy uit, dan gaan jy kort kom. En spyt gaan jou kom visit soos 'n Sama met 'n big bomb.
Okay, so manne wat groot name het, julle manne wat daar bo is, as julle gaan praat van ons wat hier onder is, gaan dit eers uitkom. So jy kan nie dink dit gaan ignore word as jy iets sê nie, because what you say has an influence, né? En die gaan op Sama, op explode soos 'n Sama met 'n bom.
As jy kak praat, gaan dit uitkom. As jy uit, dan gaan jy kort kom. En spyt gaan jou kom visit soos 'n Sama met 'n big bomb. Jy's groot bek vir 'n racist, geen respek, maar jy is musiek.
Dis goed net vir 'n racist, okay?
Kom en spyt gaan jou kom visit soos 'n Sama met 'n big bomb. Jy's groot bek vir 'n racist, geen respek,
Oh, groot bek vir 'n racist.
maar jy is musiek. Great is niemand om my terug, want verdien hy het ek geen fucking patience. 21's die product van 'n goat, so you better embrace it.
21 is 'n product van 'n goat. 21 is 'n product van 'n goat. Okay, you better embrace it.
You better believe this is murder. Wipe the fun, but you in a circus. None of it's worth it. Fully with something being conversion. You're nobody, get back in the furnace. The Asian burn is part of the reason you're still a virgin. No one wants to hurt you. This man is a pervert, picking up skirts. It's why you're a nerd and why I feel.
Promo with out of the virgin, bro. Okay, die bra sê.
You better believe this is murder.
You better believe this is a murder. If it was fun, we've been in a circus. Nou wat dit chop. Nou wat dit double up in jou flow en is dit moeilik om jou te hoor, bro. Né? En dan die instrumental wat weg van wat jy sê. Daar's 'n part, ek gaan dit nou nou speel, want ek het clearly gehoor, ek kon nie hoor wat hy daar sê nie, as gevolg van die violin in die song in, né? Dis either die mixing en mastering. Dit is waarom mixing en mastering so important is, sodat jy kan hoor waar in die song die instrumental of die vocal overpower en daar hier gebeur dit nou. Embrace it.
You better believe this is murder. Whether they're fun with you in the circus, none of it's worth it. Fully with something team conversion. You're nobody, get back in the furnace. The Asian burn is part of the reason you're still a virgin. No one was.
Maar jy kan definitely spit. So, enige iemand wat jou sê 777 jy kan nie rap nie, lieg. Want dit is nou jou tweede of derde flow, né? So jy kan definitely rap. Maar wat die vat weg van wat jy wil sê. Because nou met districts is dit baie belangrik. Wat die belangrikste van 'n district is not how you do it, is what you do. Is what you say. That's the most important because a district of van die woord disrespect af. So just go disrespect. That's all. Jy hoef nie skill te wys nie, bro. But you do have because man kan chop. Man kan double up. Soos nou. Right? Hy kan ek jou gee. But it takes away from what you are saying to the man because now it's difficult to hear. Now you have to listen very intricately. Moet jy nou luister wat sê die man hier en is moeilik om te vang wat jy sê, veral omdat dit so vinnig is. En as 'n paad hierso, is 'n paad, ek gaan dit nou wys. Wat ek glad nie kan hoor because die violin gaan na oor.
None of it's worth it. Fully with something team conversion. You're nobody, get back in the furnace. The Asian burn is part of the reason you're still a virgin. No one wants to hurt you. This man is a pervert, picking up skirts. It's why you're a nerd and why if you're hurt.
This man is a perfect. En dan, ek kan net hoor wat hy daar sê nie.
The Asian burn is part of the reason you're still a virgin. No one wants to hurt you. This man is a pervert, picking up skirts. It's why you're a nerd and why if you're hurt and why you disturb your vision. Just blow your part.
Daai pad kon ek niks hoor, bro. Seriously. En ek is een van die beste manne wat kan luister en ek is een van die beste baarvangers hier buite. Ek is een van die beste baarvangers hier buite en ek is een van die beste luisteraars as dit kom by die goed is. Né? Want ek moet hoor wat jy sê sodat ek kan react op dit. Maar daai pad is totally weg as gevolg van die vocal en die instrumental wat daar bots.
A gang, you part of a herd. That's why you're hurt. If I'm when you're looking for verses, stealing my surplus, get something good or right. For two of us taking a hit of that shit, not serious. Drugs in the region, you're looking so hideous. Drugs in the region, you're looking so hideous. Money that.
Die voorste stukkie as gevolg van die asem wat opraak aan die einde. Dis waarom jy vinnig rap. Aan die einde nou voor jy stukkie uit. That is why you look so hideous. That's a part. That's the reason why you look so hideous. Bro, mo tell hideous my bro.
We're talking and I don't wanna talk. See, I got plenty of hoes. Yeah, I got bitches and more. But when there's paper in my wallet now, they all wanna talk. They all wanna talk. They all wanna talk. Yeah, I've been acting like an idiot. You already know. You already know. You already know. Yeah, I've been losing track of time and I've been healing my soul. Healing my soul. Yeah. Take a moment, just take a second. I think I get this. You regret it.
Nee man, triple man. Hier doen ze dat dan nou reg man. Just take a second. Hier doen ze dat nice bro. Seriously. Nou, dit is as jy die hele trek. Ek wil nie vir iemand sê hoe moet rap, but I'm going to tell you if I can hear that something doesn't sound good and that doesn't sound good here. Die hele part hier doen ze dat nice. So now remember now, this track is all about one thing and it's all about what you say.
Oh, yeah.
How you say it is that's the bonus.
Yeah, take a moment, just take a second. I think I get this, you regret it. I'm moving quickly and I'm kinda good at everything that I've been doing to make you sad. Little white boy, come with a diss and make you put the fries in the bag and make us.
Hy's nice gedoen bro because it's clear, clear and concise.
That I've been doing to make you sad. Little white boy, come with a diss and make you put the fries in the bag and make was tricky, so I dropped the mic and let you know I'm back. You're a product of a goat, and that's that. 7 + 7 + 7, you do the math. But to be honest, I don't think that you can even do that, man.
Frikkie, die mic drop de. Bro, maar die mensen is dom, ze kan niet eens wiskunde. You can't do the math.
+ 7 + 7, you do the math. But to be honest, I don't think that you can even do that, man.
That's a nice beat though. Right, that was a reaction op 777, product of a Goat 21 promo diss track. What I'm gonna say is this is not bad. Frik. I'm saying frik. What even make this? 777, né? Just that parts. Listen to me. That parts there is where you I sekere dinge wat jy beter kon gedoen het. As hy 'n nice diss track gemaak het, maar dis parte wat ek kon hoor. So dit voel vir my baie lig as gevolg van die gedeeltes wat ek kan gehoor het. Not bad at all. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, né? What you think about this. But soos ek sê, die broek kan spit. Hy can definitely rap. There's no doubt about it. It's just he could have done it better. And the way it was done here is not so bad. The last part is for me the highlight because it's very clear and concise on what you're saying. Daar is dit vir dit breek op dat ek Keister Black. Na die gaan ek nou react op Junior King en Promo se reply op die ene, ne? As hy weer gaan reply, gaan ek wag vir hulle om te reply, dan gaan ek react, maar ek gaan nie react op I don't react on singles. It must be two, so to put everything together. And by the way, this tracks in my opinion, daar moet iets gebeur tussen ons twee. Then, jy kan nie loop en dissie, Junior King het 'n klompie diss tracks weg. Hy het niks van hy mense gemaak nie. Promo het 'n klompie diss tracks weg. Hy het niks van hy mense gemaak nie. Join het 'n paar weg. Hy het niks van die mense gemaak nie. Daar moet iets, there must be a little bit of history. Dan maak het sin, but just coming out of the gate. Wait. Nee, nou, dis waarvan ek praat. 777, dit vir Junior gedis 3 maande gelede. Nou dis even geen ander songs tussenin nie. Dit is waarvan ek praat, dis wat my upset is because nou jou eerste Twitter wat ons van gehoor het van jou. Is 2 districts. So jou staat van jou carrière is districts en ek like dit nie. I'm just saying. Anyway, en ek het net gister gereact op 'n song. Luister die song vir die reaction vir die, ne, B van Sly Hell of a Guy, as 'n OG. Die OG sê dat hy het nog niks gedoen in die game nie. Het fokke geachieve, het nog niks gerelease nie, maar hy beef al en is 'n clear example van dit. Shout out Sly Hell of a Guy. Stay black.